Welcome back again to the Flippin' Ain't Easy channel. Again, this is John, and in this video, just wanted to talk to you about just went down with the eBay Sellerbration and some of my thoughts on that and some of my thoughts going forward. What I was hoping to see from the Sellerbration event and what actually happened. So without any further ado, let's go. This hat is red. No, really. This hat is red. I'm going to keep telling you this because I really want you to know that this hat is red. Now, that's kind of how eBay wants you to feel from this Sellerbration event. It's their version of telling you that this hat is red when you know it's black. Okay? They can tell us all they want through whatever means they want to that we're important as sellers. The bottom line is, I was hoping to hear someone speak about, managed payments. I wanted to hear someone tell us about some improvements that they were going to be doing for the sellers. I wanted to hear some at least acknowledgement of some of the things that we're dealing with, but please bear with us type of thing. And really none of that happened. They were more focused on what was your favorite moment on eBay, what was your favorite item you've ever bought on eBay, and then they started highlighting, various sellers on this platform. But really, if you're a millionaire selling watches, you get a return, it's not going to bother you so much. You get something that comes up on your account and you need some help. You probably already have a concierge you can reach right out to. But this channel is dedicated to people like myself who are doing this all the time, whether it's part-time or full-time. And one problem with the sale is everything. And so to highlight people that are like that is sort of out of touch to most, in my opinion, most eBay sellers. So I'm fairly disappointed. They had a couple good stories on there, and I wish there was more. Pointing to this person, they lost their job. They turned to eBay, and eBay turned things around for them. That is the type of stories I would have liked to have seen on this. So, any of you watch the Sellerbration event go down? Now, let me just say, I'm sure many of you wanted to log into this event. I'm on the West Coast, so about 11:45 I decided to try to log in, and I was successful at first. About 11:30, I was successful at first in logging into my account, and I started working on some eBay things, and I came back and I noticed that it had a live stream link, and I clicked on that, and it took me to the live stream, and it basically said please wait, that type of thing. And then it totally just went to an error page. I went back, tried to click on the live stream again, and it took me to where it wanted me to go in and re-enroll and re-sign up. And I'm like, well, what in the heck is going on here? And so I went back through the process, and I tried to re-enroll, and it took me to a screen where I could enter my name, my eBay username, and it told me with a little disclaimer that I wouldn't be able to use the chat feature. I wanted to ask some questions, but nonetheless, I went with it, and no, that didn't work. So as you guys can see, this is what I'm looking at, and it is now 12:03 p.m. That's Pacific time. We're 4 minutes late. This is the live stream. Now the funny thing is, you could see up here, when I was on my profile, it had that on there, and when this popped up, live stream, I clicked on live stream, and you know what it did? It took me to the enrollment page. So it basically wanted me to enroll again, even though I had already enrolled. I have a profile page, and now I go back to do all these things, and it's pretty much giving me that. Okay, so I even try to do a refresh. This is back on my profile page, and it's not even letting me look at it anymore. So and as you can see, I hit refresh and it's just sitting here. So going back here, I don't know if any of you guys got this screen, but it certainly tells me that eBay did not have their act together, or you guys are watching this live stream and this is the screen that they gave me. Go figure. So I checked out the eBay community boards, and it turns out I wasn't the only one having an issue here. Took about almost an hour, actually a little over an hour, before they decided to throw the whole thing on YouTube as a live stream. And you know, for all the hype, it certainly wasn't what I thought it was going to be. You know, did I expect them to solve all the problems, you know, that we've been experiencing as sellers here over the last few months? No, not at all. But just maybe an acknowledgement that, hey, you know, we hear you, we've got your back, we understand your concerns, and we're going to be right there with you and do everything we can with the feedback you've given us, and try to make this more of a more, you know, eBay seller friendly environment. And I just didn't get that sense. It was almost like, wow, for 25 years we've been great, and you know, we're going to keep doing what we do. And that's not what I wanted to hear. You know, eBay, you know, you have no problem charging us the extra fees, and we continually, you know, without any question, continue to sell on your platform. And we only hope that you're going to have our back when we have an issue or we want something implemented, something, and I keep telling you guys this, something like instant payment when we offer a buyer a best offer, you know, that type of thing, while your other customers are paying full price and paying you right away. And, you know, to give us that option, maybe an option in our setup or our preferences to say we want instant payment whenever we offer someone a best offer. Not showing our customer who just bought our item similar items from our competitors that might be at a lower price, and that causes that customer to come back and say, hey, I want to cancel. Putting us into a bad spot. You know, like for instance, I had a customer about 2 months had an item from me, and they wanted to return the item. And you know, it gave me the prompt to accept or deny the return. It should automatically deny that return after 30 days. I don't want to be in a bad spot, you know, and have to deal with that customer. After 30 days, that transaction to me is over with. I don't want to hear from them again unless they're buying another item from me. So like I said, I had some issues with logging in. Played you that video. You had a chance to see what I went through earlier today, and you know, I'm just disappointed. But what's new, right? And really, this channel isn't meant to be a negative channel against eBay. Not at all. It's to represent what most eBay sellers are dealing with, and at least I represent my own thoughts, but based on your comments as well over the last few months, many of you are feeling very frustrated as well. So that's my video. Please do me a favor, leave some remarks down below. Did you watch the video or the live stream video that they presented as the Sellerbration? Were you not able to log in? Did you just give up? Please leave that information down below. Please smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell icon so that you're notified whenever I come out with a video. You know, just keep selling. Like I always say, keep selling. That's what usually will get you through a slump in sales. You know, stay positive, and I want you guys to have a great weekend. We'll talk to you guys next week.